Hello, let's make Swahili pilau. First of all, you need your beef or a meat of your choice, and then you boil the meat, and then you drain out the water if there's any excess water. Then that's where we are right now. We add in some oil. That's it, oil. In Swahili we call it mafuta, and then you fry or you kaanga. You add
Enough
in some
onion.
onion. Swahili we call them
Wanasemanga
kitunguu ama vitunguu. Then
yum.
we fry the onions until they are almost golden brown. But then not brown and fast because you need to add in your garlic.
160.
In Kiswahili we call it kitunguu saumu ama vitunguu saumu. So how do you call garlic in your language? I wish to know. Let me know in the comment section. So you add in the garlic and then you keep on stirring and frying.
Sio ni auntie yako?
Stirring and stirring. Yes, so you're making a beef pilau. You can use any meat of your choice. Like I said, you can decide to use mutton, chicken, or even chicken. For that, those are the spices that you're going to use. You can use spices of your choice as long as you have pilau masala mixture. Then the rest of the spices you can choose. You can choose any spice of your own. Yes, so I will not tell you what spice to use. You can use what you want. Then you can add in some potatoes to make it more flavorful. How do you call potatoes in your language? Let me know. So you
Napika
add
ya
in some
chicken ama ya
potatoes and then you
nini?
keep mixing. If you can see
Ni
the onions
vitunguu.
are already brown, golden
Ni
brown.
vitunguu
So
zikiturn golden brown
just keep
vizuri.
mixing and
Unashika.
stirring until you're ready. So potatoes in Swahili are called
Hata
viazi,
mimi siekangi
and then
sauti.
different kinds of viazi. The ones you're using
Bora
here
hata hii
are
sufuria yako itakuwa ndogo.
just viazi. There's viazi tamu, which is
Atoka?
sweet potatoes. Then you add in rice, which is the star of the show. Add in some rice and then you keep stirring. Well, do you wash your rice or you don't wash your rice? That is the debate of another day. So you add in your rice and keep stirring. Of course, you already added in the spices. After this, you will add in water and then you let it cook. Cover and let it
Yummy,
cook. Give it
yummy.
some time, it will be ready. And there you'll have
Yummy.
your pilau. Have your pilau. Don't forget to subscribe and to like and to comment. It's the Swahili Age with Kabaka Diana, the home of Swahili language and culture. Kwaheri.
Sema ABC.